TV siguro diha.
Isa mo sila daw mag-impisa.
Mas ulam dahil nag-impisa oh. Hindi matog nag-impisa kinahanglan ni ulo katao mag doon mawer. By area siguro na sila oy kay pila ka hektarya ni. Pila ka hektarya?
Kapunay na niyo.
O kapunay. Wapo ang og na ay swimming pool. Yeah, swimming pool. Tama-tamag na zipline oh, gikan diri pababa dito. Ano may suga oh. No. Dagan ya siya. Unsa tong gatrampet sa camp training center? Busina ra sa truck. The Tres Asais. First lady ron. Honoree, the retired teacher 3 with the 2 master teachers, master teacher 2. The lady in blue, just frisk from Canada. The lady in red, fresh, not no longer fresh, but soon will go out again to any point of the world. Shall I go with you guys?
Yeah, you can. As long as you have your hair.
Yes. Dubai. Let's go Dubai. Let's go to Thailand. Okay, we are here at Lantawan. Duki Idol Vice Paden. Here we are in your place. In your beautiful Lantawan. We are looking for the duyan to take some pictures pero wala na pala yun, sayang.